So we're here on the set of the Wales Home Kit. We have our models, we have our video director, we have our assistants. And today we're capturing some imagery for the website, for socials, and then we'll be following that up with a shoot with players later in the week. So stay tuned. Excitingly, we've been working with Museum Wales, who've kindly loaned us some of their archival pieces that have inspired the kit design. The fabrics behind celebrate the Welsh double cloth fabric weaving, which has been part of Welsh culture for many years now, and something that's really pulled through in the kit design. So yeah, we're going to get our models stood in here. Later we'll be shooting players in this set as well. Yeah, I'll get another rail.
Do we need to do
Can you tell us a little bit about the chair you've brought today?
Well, it's an Eisteddfod chair, which is a bardic chair used in Wales's cultural event, the Eisteddfod. So the poet that wins for composing a cywydd in strict meter and wins a chair every year. So this one was a historic chair from the 1950s in the museum collection, and it's got a big red dragon on the back, so that's one of the reasons we selected it.
Comfortable on the throne.
I love it. It's where I belong. This is.
We're here at the photo shoot today for the new SUDU Home and Away Kit, Cymru shirts. It's a real milestone moment for, I think, the partnership between the Football Association of Wales, the Cymru national teams, and SUDU, as we look forward to launching these new shirts. I think just the entire partnership has been, well, just to get to this moment, I think has been a long journey in terms of everything that the Football Association of Wales and SUDU have done together, from all the design concepts to the research. I think that the key thing around this partnership has been the authenticity that SUDU have brought to it. Authenticity is something that's very important to the Football Association of Wales, and I think the way in which SUDU have come in and embraced sort of Welsh culture and history, as well as the sort of modern view of the country, has definitely gone into all of the design processes through this kit. So I think, yeah, this is an incredibly exciting moment, certainly for the FAW, as well as for SUDU, I'm sure.
Is that your first time seeing the kit today?
I've seen like photos of it, but
Yeah.
first time seeing it like in person.
What do you reckon?
Lovely, isn't it? Very nice.
What do you reckon, G?
Quite high up.
Lovely.
Yeah.